Hey guys, I'm sorry I didn't record since the beginning. I actually forgot. But I'm already in the shorts here. We have an insane SMG with ES, an insane bearish SMG. ES is still in this, in this sort of premium range. We go higher a little bit, then we start displacing lower, right? So ES is all the way at the bottom here. NAS is all the way at the bottom here. We still have all of this. Let me remove this. So we have all of this low resistance liquidity sent in here paired with this. I believe there's also an hourly gap here, right? So we inverse a 1 minute, an hourly. This is an hourly gap. Let me show you. So as you guys can see, this is an hourly gap. We check all of these lows. The bearish SMG still holds, right? We also put in, so at 9:30 we shit the bed, like literally shit the bed. Then what do? When ES was going higher, let me show you. When ES was going higher, what was it doing? It was just engineering for us liquidity, as you guys can see. We tap perfectly into the 1 minute gap paired with the order block, and then we keep going lower, right? So we could see some retracement back up here. This is the fair value gap paired with the market structure shift. Maybe we could, maybe we can't. The reason why I took this is such a late shitty fill, bro. I was trying to get filled up here. The moment I saw this, like the candle was like just having issues. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. Did you hit take profit? Oh shit. Bro, don't tell me I just read news. I mean, of course I'm on paper trading, but I can't even close it, bro. I can't even close it. Can I close it, please? Please, please, please. Close. Holy shit. Nas. I'm gonna need you to close that. There's no try again. I need you to close that. Well, it doesn't matter. Okay, well, we took a nice trade. That's that. Okay, well, the trade was so good. It broke trading view, apparently. I'm glad I caught down on the camera, bro. Alright, so let me run you guys through my why I was thinking we were gonna go lower. Alright, so first of all, we have this insane SMG. Like, just look at this. ES was up here, okay? Then we were consolidating in this in this sort of range. We tap into the 4-hour gap, basically, right? What do we do after that? So, holy shit, such a nice trade. Okay, so basically after that, what do? We take this buy side, we form our SMG, we have a higher time from PD array. What is this in question? All right, let me show you. What is this in question right here? This is my model, bro. This is exactly my model. What do you mean? So we keep expanding higher and higher and higher. We sweep buy side. What do we do right after that? We don't displace. Keep in mind, we don't displace. We go a little bit higher, forming some liquidity inside. Then we go lower. I think it's going to be better on the 15 minute. Yeah. Let's look at the 15. So look, we go higher. We put in our killer fair value gap. I call this a killer fair value gap because, like, once you see it, you already know. I mean, I think the government shutdown ended. Hold on. Transfer vote, expansion one on end report length. Right, well, okay. So basically, if you just look at this, what is this? This is my model right here, bro. we go higher. Where's our market structure shift? This is my market structure shift. God damn, bro. I took such a good trade. I broke NAS. Trading view. What is this? A change in the safe delivery. We go higher. We get our market structure shift. Put in the fair value gap. We go higher. Keep in mind, we don't close above the order block. And what is this? This is a breaker right here, guys. Look at this. This is my breaker. I'm expecting price to use this so we can keep going lower and lower and lower. Exactly what we do. We go higher. We tap into the 15-minute fair value gap. Beautiful tap. As you guys can see, we don't even go within premium of that. We don't even go to the higher quadrant. We just tap CE and then we go lower. So once 930, like before 930, right? Like the structure is bullish. You guys are gonna say, like, for the beginner traders, right? I'm also a beginner, but I just avoid these mistakes anymore because I've already did them various times. So maybe some traders are gonna be like confused, like why are you already having bearish expectations if we were holding bullish along the way? Look, we inverse this hourly. We went above this order block. We had all of this. Why are you bearish? What you see now is a preparation for what we're gonna have later. Okay, let's look at. It's crazy how I'm still in the red. Hold on, I want to see the trades that I took. What was this? This is 11/7th. I mean, yeah, I'm really grateful because this month I've been really doing so much better. I remember these two were really horrible. They were mistakes. This was the loss that I took. But overall, I'm really happy about how I'm doing so far. Okay, 58 is the closure. Not bad. Okay, so we have, like I said, insane SMT. We already do have a pre-market higher time frame model being built up. Let's go see the 5-minute. I think you're gonna see better on the 5-minute, right? Okay, so look at this. Look at it, bro. This is actually beautiful, bro. We check internal buy side, our killer fair value gap. We inverse it. First time we tap it. Right? We get our change in the safe delivery actually all the way up here, with our market structure shift. Actually, the 15-minute was better. Yeah, we just tap it. We come back to this range, and I mean, along the way, I'm just looking that the draw lower is so much better than higher. Like, where are we gonna go higher, bro? Like, such a high resistance zone that maybe we have this and that, but the fact that ES took it and it displays all the way higher, we need to get back. And what also helped me was this accumulation zone right here. This whole thing is accumulation, right? Like SMT accumulation. So I had some ideas that this could become our beginning of what do you call it? Our beginning. We actually, hold on, could become a beginning of market maker sell model, right? I mean, if I was on my trading account or like on my eval, I wouldn't even think about looking at the charts anymore. Exactly what I was expecting, bro. Exactly. Okay, we're seeing some nice movement. Okay. The whole range is, EQ of this range is like up there, right? But I doubt we're gonna have that sort of moves. Really doubt it. Perfect reactions. Everything that I need to see for my model is here. This is my model right here. And why did I take that change in safe delivery? Because it was so perfect. We had like nice bullish candle, and it was like pinpoint on the change in the safe delivery. So I would take that. just out of health and out of displacement. This is actually a good range that we could potentially look at. Once we inverse this gap, I could potentially move my stop loss here. So far, we haven't made any protected lows. I would like to see this become a protected low. Like go lower, take it out, hit this gap, and then we go higher. Because I think even on the higher time frame, yeah, look at that. And that is just amazing. That is truly amazing, bro. Hold on. What is 50% of the whole thing? I haven't tapped 50%, but we tapped the first quadrant of this wick, and then we went higher. Bullish signs for sure. Now all we need is us to start displacing higher. Okay, let me remove that. I'm not gonna lie, that doesn't look too great. The only reason for us to lose this trade is because of wrong drawn liquidity and wrong price action. Wrong price action narrative. Because if we are expecting price to reverse, right, the probability of us taking it is much lower than if we just take it after the inversion. You should wait for the inversion at least. Yeah, maybe you're gonna miss an entry, but at least you know, like at least you know that you're safe. That at least price is gonna stay bullish until we hit EQ or we take a buy side in there, right? So I'm not gonna be mad at myself if we lose here. If we can close above here, I would move my stop loss right there. If we can. Because so far this has given perfect reactions. This is really perfect. We hit the order block perfectly. That is really nice. I would like to just see a closure above that body. And then I'll move my stop loss there. Or even better, I'm just going to be patient. If we can close here, this is making me so happy, bro. This is really nice. Okay, let me see that closure on the market structure shift. And that would be just perfect. Okay, we did close. So now this becomes what? This becomes a protected low. We shouldn't take this low anymore if we're trying to go bullish. Okay, we are in the upper quadrant of the fair value gap. Bullish signs, very nice, very beautiful. I'm gonna start removing all of these. I do like my TP there, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know if it's the safest to play, actually. Looking at ES. ES is still showing bearish signs. I would like to see more displacement from ES. ES is just like... The entry on ES was so freaking ugly, bro. It was so ugly, I'm not gonna lie. This is your entire order block. We're showing some really, really nice displacement, guys. Very nice. Amazing trade. Again, let's not be arbitrary here and random, okay? Let's just think about it. Why did we take this model and it works against if we took the same model and it lost in this case, right? Well, first of all, we could have just like gave us the illusion that the model is there just for us to go higher, tap into the 5-minute, create some price actions there, put in an SMT like something like that. Let me show you. If we do something like this, boom, 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 and then we continue lower. That is a possibility, right? But why am I so confident that we're gonna reverse at least until EQ, right? First of all, we have this low resistance liquidity paired with this hourly, and we are at EQ of the range. Let me show you. I think this is the whole range. I saw on the hourly actually. Hold on, let me see this. Yeah, pretty nice. Actually, we're seeing some really healthy displacements, guys. Very nice, very nice. Not gonna lie. Amazing trade. We do have a little bearish SMT here. ES still hasn't gave us an inversion of the gap, but all good since NAS is the leading index now. So ES is just gonna follow NAS on this situation. We do have this mini 1 minute. We do have this like choppiness in here. I just expect price to run through these liquidities. We do tap the first 15 minute though. We do tap the first 15 minute. So I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. This makes me angry so many times, bro. Like, we took a 5 minute high though. I could just close it actually. I think we should close it. We should probably close it just because ES is like shit in the beds. Yeah, we should definitely close it. It's alright. Nice trade. Very, very nice trade. TP should be at the first 15 minute given. So this is our first 15 minute. I don't think we're gonna get any more. We're just gonna keep going lower now. Okay, I actually like that. This is the gambler mindset. Always keep giving me more. Even trading view is like punishing me for it. I mean, as you guys can see, yes, did not give us what we wanted. Yeah, I told you. We should have closed it here. We should have really closed it here. And that would be our TP. Ah, all good. All good. I'm very happy with my trade. And yeah. Really nice, guys. Really, really nice. This is my model right here, guys. Change and save delivery. You could have had a better entry if you waited, right? But we don't always get retrace this deep. Sometimes we just pull back to this breaker and then we continue. So this is the problem that I'm still working on. This is really the only problem that I'm still working on. And bro, this is beautiful. It did the same exact fucking thing that I told you guys. It could go, put in SMT and then go lower. Exactly what it's doing now, bro. Like, hello? So on the 15 minute, bro, look at down the 15 minute. Like, come on now. Come on now. I'm just getting so good at this. I'm not gonna lie. All right, let me stay humble. All praise to God. But hey, we're getting really good. So 2 lessons today, guys. If you take a dub, leave the charts. If I'm trading against an expansion leg and signs are good for reversal TP at the first either 5 or the 15-minute gap. These are the 2 lessons that we have today, guys. Okay, so very nice, guys. It was absolutely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It would have been really nice if we went back to back, taking a trade there and then another trade there. Oh, and another lesson: do not take the reversal based off the first swing after the leg, which is right here, guys. Right here. This is the first swing. Why is this so bad? Well, first of all, we don't have any price structure inside this range. We don't have anything inside this range. If you tell me this is our swing high, boy, that is not our swing high, bro. That is not. Okay? That's our first swing high. We come lower, we take this sell side, and then it gives us our entry. Very beautiful, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Some subs, some comments, some likes would be really nice, but either way, hope you guys enjoy the video and take care. And if you go ahead and start thinking, oh, this is rejection of the order block, it is not, bro. Change and save delivery, market structure shifts. We already ate all of these confluences, right? And we have an SMG. So don't even think about it. Price is probably just gonna keep pulling lower and lower and lower. Probably start making some like accumulation, and then in the PM session we could continue lower. See ya.